In the previous video, we have learned that how to refine the hairs. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to change the background of the image and make them colorized in such a way that the image looks real. You all can see the background image here and also can see the subject image here. So first thing we are going to do is to select subject. Select on quick selection tool here, then select on select subject. Look, our selection is almost done. You can make changes you needed. Then press Ctrl C to copy the selection. Go to your background image. Press Ctrl V to paste it. We have to resize the image, so press Ctrl T to transform it. Resize the image so that we can define the image is real. Okay. Now all we have to do is to match the colors of the subject with the background. We won't make any change to the background, we will only change the colors of the subject. To match the colors of the subject with the background, we have two steps here. Go to your adjustment layers panel, select solid color, take white as a reference, hit OK. Rename the layer Colorize 1. Change blend mode from normal to hue. We can clearly see the difference between the subject layer and the background layer. As we can see, we need to dark some shadows of the subject layer, so we will choose a curve such adjustment layer. Apply curves on the subject layer. As we need to dark shadows, we will make only changes here. You can make any changes you think that it should be. Unview the colorize layer 1. You can see our subject image has started to matching with the background. In the second part, we will again take a solid color layer with the color code 808080. Hit OK. Change blend mode from normal to luminosity. Again, we can clearly see the difference between the subject layer and the background layer. We have to clear all the differences between the subject layer and the background layer so that we can match them. We will again take a curves adjustment layer, put it under color fill 1, apply it on the subject layer. Now change the mode from RGB to blue. We will dark some shadows to make subject layer yellowish. You can make changes by watching the image. We have almost done. Unview the color fill 1. You can see it is matching, but its brightness is a little bit dark.
Now it matches. You can see before, after, before, after. As we can see, sun rays are coming from this way, so shadows also will be there on this way. To make shadows, we will select solid colors, take it black, okay, select this, press Ctrl I to invert the mask, select a soft brush, you can note the value of the opacity and the flow. Make your brush a little bit bigger, then paint on this way. Make this area more darker. We also have to dark some edges. Now looks good. We also have to dark this way, because sun rays are coming from this way, so this part will be dark. Put it over layer 1, invert the mask, decrease the opacity, and start painting on this way. Now it looks good. We can note that sun rays are about to yellow color, so we have to make some effect here to make it more realistic. Take a curves adjustment layer, and to make the things yellow, select mode from blue to RGB to blue, then decrease the brightness to make it yellow. Then invert the mask and start painting on this. Now you can see our subject is perfectly matching on the background. You can see. Before, after. We have to blur some edges to make it more realistic. Select the blur tool. Select your layer 1. Now it looks good. We will also blur some background. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Tilt Shift. Take it on downward. And make this line totally upward.
Now our image looks gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.